Welcome to A Maker's Mindset, 30 Lessons from the Lathe. I'm Martin Saban-Smith. I'm a professional woodturner, a teacher and author based in Hampshire in the UK, and over the next 31 episodes I'll be sharing an abridged version of my new book about what wood turning has taught me. Not just about turning, but about making in the broader sense. The full book is available in paperback and Kindle if you want the complete version with all of the stories and references. Episode 0. Before we begin. This isn't a technical manual. You won't find tool specifications, project plans or step-by-step instructions for turning specific pieces. Plenty of excellent books already do that work, and I've learned from a few of them. This series is about what I've learned. Not just about turning, though there's plenty of that here, but about making in the broader sense. What it asks of us, what it gives back, and how it changes the person doing it. The title, A Maker's Mindset, reflects my belief that how you think about the work matters as much as how you execute it. Technique without philosophy produces competent emptiness, and philosophy without technique produces well-meaning failure. I believe you need both. I came to wood turning late. I was in my late 30s, had spent over a decade as a photographer and graphic designer, and I thought I understood making, coming from a very creative family that has dipped in and out of crafts for as long as I can remember. Then I stood at a lathe for the first time and realised I knew nothing at all. That was 2014. In the years since, I've turned thousands of pieces, started a YouTube channel, like thousands of other people. I've demonstrated internationally, started a finishes business, founded a school and a wood turning club. I've taught hundreds of students and written a book about form and proportion, and somehow, somewhere along the way, became someone people ask for advice. None of it was planned. I just kept showing up at the lathe, kept paying attention, kept trying to understand what the wood and the work were teaching me. A note on who this book is for. I've written primarily for woodturners because that's my craft and my community. But if you work with your hands, if you shape a material into a form, if you care about doing something well for its own sake, then you'll find yourself in these episodes. The lathe is a great teacher, but the lessons are universal. I should mention that I'm a deep and chaotic thinker. My mind seems to work in spirals rather than straight lines, making connections between things that seem unrelated, revisiting ideas from new angles. You'll notice this in what follows. Stories interrupt theory. If you prefer linear instruction, this may occasionally frustrate you. I'm sorry about that, but I've found that craft knowledge rarely travels in straight lines anyway. It spirals, returns and deepens with each pass. Perhaps that's fitting for a book about working on a lathe. Finally, a request. If something in this series helps you, please pass it on. Show someone how to sharpen their tools. Demonstrate a technique at your club. Share what you've learned with someone just starting out. The knowledge in these episodes isn't just mine. It came from others and it should continue to others. That's how traditions survive. That's how the circle continues. Now, the blank is waiting and the tools are sharp. Let's begin. Thank you for listening. This is an abridged version of A Maker's Mindset. The full book with all the stories, the references and the bits I had to cut for these episodes is available in paperback and on Kindle from Amazon. I'll see you in the next episode.